Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you three ways on how you can fix Shopify openings on page. Okay, so you can launch your own Shopify store. First, you want to click on online store in the left, and then you want to click on preferences, and then you want to uncheck this one that says password protection. Next to it you will be able to see this. You want to uncheck it. Okay, and after that you want to click on save. Okay, now if you are not able to uncheck this, that means you haven't picked a plan yet. Okay, so to do that you just need to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then click on plan, and then you want to pick a plan. Usually it's $1 for the first 3 months. Just pick a plan. Okay, Shopify doesn't allow you to do this on the free trial. In order to launch your own Shopify store, you need to pick a plan. Okay, another way is to check your theme if there is any error. Like if you have recently downloaded a theme, or you have added a code, or you downloaded an app recently, remove it, or remove the code that you have added to your theme that caused that problem. Now another way is to just click here. Just click on online store, and then click on themes, then click on import theme, click on visit theme store. You want to go with down theme. It's very popular. Just search here for down, and then you want to click on down theme, and then click on add here at the bottom right. It says here adding down theme to your online store. By the way, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. We are trying to hit 5 likes on this tutorial. Now we have added down theme. You just need to click on publish at the bottom here. You will be able to see the down theme downloading, and then click on publish after it's finished. Now when you click publish, click again publish. That may fix this problem. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so just let me know in the comments. Make sure you drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you.